They say birds of the same feather flock together. Ay naku, totoo yan. Ang mga negatibong tao, they attract each other constantly. They share yung mga duda, takot, mga reklamo, and then they keep them stuck where they are. But people who are committed to growth and who keep developing themselves also find each other, lifting one another. They encourage each other, inspire, and accountability is in place. Sa totoo, yung mga nandyan sa circle na yan surround themselves who only see the problems and they start believing in limits. Nalilimitahan lang sila. But walk with those who chase growth and greatness, and for sure, aangat ka and you will see new heights that you never even imagined possible. In the end, your flock determines your flight. Do you want to create a better future? Diyan nagsisimula ang lahat. The key is finding the right vehicle. And for many of us, that's the digital online entrepreneurship. This path opens the door to building passive income streams, gaining true time freedom, and ultimately designing a life where you can spend more quality time with family. Imagine mo, you can go anywhere you want, kahit kailan, kahit gaano katagal, without waiting for your boss's approval. That's the power of stepping into this opportunity. Creating a life on your terms with freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment.